Removing the Powered by System.io logo is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, log in to your System.io account using your credentials. Look for an option related to account settings, preferences, or branding. This is where you can typically modify the appearance of your pages and remove branding. Within the account settings or preferences, find a section related to branding or page appearance. Some platforms provide options to remove or customize the branding on your pages. And some platforms offer the ability to remove branding as part of the premium or higher tier plans. Check your current subscription plan and, if needed, consider upgrading to a plan that allows for branding customization. If you're unable to find options within the settings, consider reaching out to System.io customer support. Customer support can guide the specific steps to remove or modify the branding. Review System.io's terms of service or documentation. Some platforms may have restrictions on removing branding depending on the subscription plan.